This is a Kenmore Elite hood range. One of my bulbs went out and I had to replace it. And you have to take the cover off. And other Kenmores, you have to unscrew this a little bit more. But this one, you just gently grab it and turn it, and then it just kind of pops out. And then you can pull the bulb out. You just pull it straight out and then put a new one in. Very simple. The bulbs for this Kenmore Elite are halogen G4 12 volt. These just happen to be 20 watts. I bought a box of them for like $1 a piece. If you go to a store like Home Depot or Lowe's, they typically sell them for a lot more. So I just bought them on Amazon. I don't know how long they will last, but it was worth a shot, especially since you get 10 in a box. Here's a close-up of the light cover. You can see the little clips in there. Well, I don't know what they're clips, they're just more like bends in the middle. And when you turn them, they just fit in there and don't move. Here's a close-up of the bulb where it fits into the socket, and you just wiggle it out. You put it back in the same way you took it out.